AI automation for beginners, no tech skills. Most people think AI automation is complicated. Coding, complex tools, replacing humans. That belief is why beginners never start. The truth is simpler. AI automation is just doing repetitive tasks automatically. If you can copy, paste, and click approve, you can use AI. What automation really is. Automation does not mean running a business on autopilot. It means this. Something happens. AI prepares a response. You review or approve. That's it. No coding. No technical setup. Just less repetition. Why beginners feel overwhelmed. Think about your workday. You answer the same emails. You send the same follow-ups. You repeat the same explanations. None of this is hard. It's just time-consuming. AI works best on boring, predictable tasks. That's where beginners should focus. AI is not autopilot. AI is not in charge. You are. AI drafts. You decide. When beginners expect magic, they quit. When they treat AI like an assistant, they win. The biggest beginner mistake. Most beginners fail because they try to automate everything. They sign up for multiple tools. Watch endless tutorials. Build nothing. More tools don't mean better results. One simple workflow beats 10 unfinished ideas. What a simple workflow looks like. Here's a basic example. Someone fills out a form. AI drafts a reply. You review it. You send it. That's automation. Simple. Repeatable. Effective. What to automate first? If you're starting out, automate things like follow-up emails, booking confirmations, frequently asked questions, internal reminders. These tasks don't need creativity. They need consistency. Perfect for AI. What not to automate yet? Some things should stay human. Pricing decisions, client negotiations, creative strategy. If it affects trust or money directly, keep control. Automation works best in the background. Tool overload warning. Here's the trap. Beginners chase tools instead of outcomes. The tool doesn't matter. The workflow does. Start with one tool, one task, one clear result. Why this scales? Once one workflow works, you don't rebuild it. You duplicate it. Same structure, different task. That's how beginners scale without stress. The real mental shift. Automation is not complexity. It's clarity. You focus on what matters. AI handles repetition. That's the real power. If you're a beginner, a side hustler, or a small business owner, this approach works. In the next video, I'll show one exact AI workflow anyone can build in under an hour. Subscribe to A Cashflow Trend if you want simple AI that actually works.